Hello, boys and girls. Remember yesterday, we had a review of numbers that are called teen numbers. So today we're going to review those numbers again, but we're going to do it with our 10 frames that show pictures of 10 frames. Some are full, some are not all the way full. And your job is to look and say the number right away. Remember, we call this subatizing, when you can look at a group of items and know the number right away. First one, how many? 2. Shout it out at home as soon as you see it. Next one, how many dots do you see? This one's easy. 1. All right, next one. 3. Say it as soon as you see it. Next one. That one's easy. 4. Now this one, almost all the boxes are filled. Kiss your brain if you said 9. Next. Now my brain sees 5 and 2, so I knew it was 7. Next one, 5 and 1 more, 6. 3. 5 and 3 more, 8. And when half of the 10 frame is filled, your brain should know right away, 5. Now, boys and girls, let's do it with teen numbers. So I have one chart with the 10 frame completely filled. So remember, 10 and then the leftovers will be our teen number. What is 10 and 5 more? 5, 10, 15. What is 10 and 8? Oh, that was hard. 18. 10 and 3. 10, 11, 12, 13. See how fast you can do it. 10 and 5, 6. 10 and 6 is 16. 10 and 7. Very good if you said 17. Ooh, this one, almost both of these are filled. 10, and I can tell this has 9 because it's not all the way filled. And if it was, it would be 10. So 1 less than 10 is 9. 10 plus 9, 19. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 1, that's easy, 11. And 10 and 2, 12. Give yourself a thumbs up. We practiced our teens with subatizing today. Now we're going to continue with our 3D shapes. So far we have talked about the round sphere, the solid cube with 6 sides, 8 vertices. We talked yesterday about the cylinder, like my favorite gum container. Our new shape for today is the cone. 1 flat side, 1 vertice. This is an unusual way to look at a vertice, but it is a corner, just like the corner of our cube. And then the rest of the cone is round and curved. Look what happens when you roll a cone. What do you notice? When I roll it, it doesn't roll the same way as our sphere rolls. Do you notice how when we roll the cone, it goes in one circle? Interesting. Our bonus shape for today. It looks like a cube if I cover up the bottom, but it's stretched out long. We call it the rectangular prism. Let's look inside our card. Here's the picture of the rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has 6 faces and 12 edges. Let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flat sides or faces, and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices on top, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices on the bottom, but they also named this long edge. So they have 4 extra edges around the rectangular prism. And if this is the rectangular prism with a rectangular on the front, take a look at this shape. Has a triangle. This would be called a triangular prism. A triangle on the bottom, on the top, And then look how it looks like a rectangle with 3 of the sides having rectangular faces, but if you look at the end, it is a triangle. So boys and girls, let's name our 3D shapes. Triangular prism, rectangular prism, cone, cylinder, cube, and sphere. Boys and girls, I hope you had fun learning about more 3D shapes today. Bye-bye.